Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel.
Video.
Why?
Okay, fine.
No, we're keeping it authentic. My name is Naz. I'm 26. What? I thought you said you wanted to vlog.
No. Okay, go. Keep talking. Sorry, I have to take it seriously.
Okay, I'm here with my friend.
Hi.
What's your name?
Oh, Sally.
And I thought for my first YouTube video, I could take you guys to Mejuri and show you how I stack my rings. I actually used to work at Mejuri, so I know a little bit about how to stack things because I learned it while I was working there, and I also love my jewelry. So let's go.
She loves her jewelry.
About jewelry, okay? So let's go.
Okay.
This one's what I call the delicate stack. It's simple, balanced, but still feels elevated. I start with the heirloom ring. It's definitely the most statement-y piece in this stack, so I like to build around that. Then I add a classic pinky signet. I'm honestly obsessed with pinky rings, you guys. I always need one on, and this one's such a pretty subtle piece. Next, I stack the thin dome ring with the diamond version. I love mixing metals, and this adds a bit of texture and color without doing too much. To finish off, I used the pave diamond signet pinky ring, but I got it in a size 6, so it fits my middle finger. The shape works well with the heirloom ring and kind of ties everything together. Okay, I lied. The last thing I did was stack 2 little thumb rings. I just feel like thin thumb rings always bring a stack together so nicely. My go-to tip for stacking is switching hands as you go. It just keeps things feeling more balanced and intentional.
This ring is like my fave. So cute.
You know, this is the ring that Taylor Swift wore, so it's sold out.
You're kidding? Like the actual one?
Yeah, she got it in like the garnet, like the red stone.
Okay.
Red stone.
Really?
The red stone. This one's the chunky stack. It's still minimal, but a bit bolder than the last. I started with 2 chunky dome rings in gold and silver on my index finger. It's definitely a statement, but stacking them together makes it feel more intentional. Then, on the other hand, I added the Charlotte slim ring. Although I loved the ring, I didn't like it by itself, so I paired it with the sphere ring. I feel like the two work really well together if you're going for that chunkier look. To keep the rest simple, I finished off with the slim signet on my pinky. I really like mixing bold and delicate pieces. It makes the stack feel a bit more interesting without overdoing it. This stack is for the silver only girlies, and Sally is modeling it here. We started with this dome ring. The shape is so cool and it stacks really nicely, and we paired it with the chunky dome ring. It literally feels like a puzzle piece and looks so good together. Sally had her own wishbone ring, so we built around that. We added the team's ring. It's simple, but the diamonds add just the right amount of sparkle. Then we sandwiched it with another pave style wishbone. This stack is such a classic, you guys. It's clean, minimal, and it really looks like you put an effort to it. On her left hand, we added the Charlotte slim ring to keep it simple. Then on the right hand, we layered her own delicate ring on the index and added a slim thumb ring. You can see her right hand has more rings, but they're all really light and minimal. The left hand has more chunkier pieces, and that's totally fine. Since those rings stand out more, you don't really need to add as much. I think this stack is super balanced and a perfect example of how to mix your own pieces with new ones for a cohesive look, and also mixing in more delicate and chunkier pieces. Would you wear this every day?
Of course I would. Duh.
I really like this stack. Wait, come back.
I love this stack.
Yeah. So cute.
I love it.
Now Sally's gonna get a piercing. Looks really good.
Yeah.
Oh, she got this one. Love it. Thanks, Megan.
You're welcome.
Thanks. I used to work in this Mejuri, so I feel really comfortable filming in here because everyone knows me and they don't care if I film. I totally forgot to film an outro, but I hope that was helpful, and thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Okay, bye.